I started harvesting my elephant garlic. I wanted to show you, I got these, at the bottom of the garlic, you get these corms that exist, that you need to pick them and save them. So you dry these out during the summer, you plant them in September, then a year later, the next summer, you're going to harvest. You're not going to harvest elephant garlic. You're going to harvest it will look like an onion with just the bottom of the onion, and you pick that in the summer, you dry it, and you plant it in September, and then next year, so 2 years later, you're going to get elephant garlic. So you need to save these corms. So here's the first of the elephant garlic. Let's see, what do we have here? I find some heavy, large earthworms. Let's see. Whoops! There you go. No corms here. I killed it. Corms here. No, here's a worm. Earthworm. Oh, here's a corm. You need to be careful, because if you leave them in the ground, then you're gonna get a look at this. 1, 2 worms. Look at these boys or girls. Oh, here's another one. I'm looking for the corms. I can't find any. Oh well. So I'm going to continue. Let's see. Let's do another one more. Right here, this one. You need to be careful not to. Wow, look at this boy. Oh, look at this worm. Oof. Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna. There you go. Here's another corm. Here's another corm here at the bottom. I'm going to pick it later. You see, it's right here. Here's a... No, this isn't a corm. This is a rock. See, this is such good soil. It's full of worms. Here's another one. All right, well, I'm going to continue, and I'll post the video later today on YouTube.